business insurance program. This is a 2-year diploma. It is running starting this winter. It's a bit fast-tracked in the winter, so we do have an optional co-op if you start in the fall. But in the winter, if you start, you basically go straight through for 4 semesters. And it's located at our Dune campus. So, and one kind of unique piece of our region too, we are sort of the hub of insurance within Canada. So we have all of the major insurance companies, Sun Life, Manulife, and lots of very long-standing. And if you know anybody knows insurance, they change their names all the time. So every company may adjust a little bit, but our program really is focused on those who are interested in auto and property. So we really do focus on that. Additionally, we also have life insurance. So and what that video shows you is that this program will prepare you with all the licenses. So not only do you get a 2-year diploma, but you're going to get the ability to apply for credentials within this industry, so that you leave not only with a diploma, but you have certified insurance professional designations. So you're prepped for that, as well as a life insurance. So you can go and challenge those industry exams. So you have additional credentials that's what makes you so employable when you leave the program. We also look at finance in this program. So some of our students may go into a joint employer where they are selling financial products as well as insurance. So this is very much about, there is some technical knowledge, but you're also going to really focus on those soft skills, sales. So if that is something that you're into and want to know more about business and even doing, running your own practice, a lot of it is very general, but also you get these specifics so that you have this niche and really employable skill set. So again, there is an optional co-op term for our fall intake. So what that means is you don't have to do it, but it's great if you do. We are very, very connected with the industry. Every single February, we host what we call our industry night. We have to stop employers from coming because we don't have space. So you'll be able to actually get networking right in front of employers. So even if you don't go into co-op, we have employers that reached out to us after and said, hey, we didn't get this person's contact. Will you connect us with them? We want to offer them a part-time job while they're in school. So they know, our graduates know what they're doing, and they bring and they're ready to hire you right out of that. So we do focus on the Canadian insurance market. So you do things like adjusting, underwriting. There's really, sometimes people say insurance is not so fun, but we've had people that have worked in working with major environmental and helping, and it's about that people, and they get to help folks that have gone through some of these very unfortunate situations, but that's a skill set and an area that they're really looking for, especially, as we see more of these sort of natural situations happen. Insurance is becoming more of a very important part of everyone's lives and understanding. There is lots and lots of field trips. So we take our students out to various brokerages. There is the Insurance Institute in Canada is hosting competitions now. So that has just started. We have lots of guest speakers. So you're really, really immersed in this industry. Additionally, as we talked about, David talked a lot about pathways in the School of Business. We have tons of pathways. This program does pathway you into our Bachelor of Commerce and Financial Services. And we're also building it into our BBA program if you want to get a general business degree as well. So you can, again, get that 2-year credential and then finish off into one of 2 different options of degrees. So it is a diploma program. So here are the admission requirements for there as well. I like to just touch on these, but just say if you have very specific questions, our international admissions team are happy to help you with that. And I just want to highlight again, as we're talking about the programs that are eligible for our work permits. We also have all of our degrees in the School of Business. So the insurance program is eligible and it can pathway in. We also offer 3 different degrees, we offer an honors Bachelor of Business Administration that focuses on international business with the ability to take a general degree or major in marketing, supply chain, or human resources management. If you're looking for maybe a 3-year, not sure, and then you can move into the 4-year, as well as we have a very unique degree in accounting, audit, and information technology that does prepare you for in a field of accounting and towards the designation for that, and also the unique part of the audit, which is again um, a very niche field in the accounting area that is very much looking for folks to join that. So you get that unique experience in that degree as well.